in the booth, we snowstorm every day. Frozen bars, sharper than a crystal shard. Two kings of winter chilling hard, spitting hard.
Frostbite rhymes, every life's a cold snap. Arctic winds growing, we ride out every track. Slipping with the glisten, no flakes in the blizzard. Breath fogging, my coat whispers deliver.
Spine chilling rhythm, temperature sub-zero. Voice so frigid, every word a hero. Snowflake patterns, intricate the flow. Glacial pace, every beat's a guided snow.
Snowbound, frosted and never thaw. Hammering hell, breaking ice jaw. Way beyond cold, Arctic heart, dinosaur. Winter's cloud heavy, frozen in control.
Frost nights, echo in the hemispheres. Storm bringers through the frozen tears. Every drop, crystallized backpack carved in the ice where no one stepped.
Subzero warriors, eternal snowbound plight. Ethereal frost chilling through the night. No melt, no trip, ice solid sound. Blizzard king sprayed, eternally crowned.